Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody was asking a question how you could do, they sent me a picture, it was so fuzzy I just deleted it and did this. This is relatively easy. Let's see how, this thing is 6.4, I've got my nudge factor set on 5 or 7. I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour just 1/4 of an inch to the inside. I'm going to go up to Object and break the contour apart. Now I can grab the inside contour and move it down. I can make this any color I want. I'm going to do the exact same. I made it blue. I'm going to take this and make it that light blue. I'm going to go to Effects and Bevel. And what's kind of neat about this, you can set how thick you want to bevel it, but you can also expand it and change that. So we're just going to bevel 0.3 with soft edges, distance, and hit that bevel. Now, all I have to do is nudge it up and it did it. Now, if you will look at the difference, these were done exactly the same. But if you will take your text now, and if you want to make it smaller, it'll change it to that looking text. And you could do that without, once you had your text the right size. Let's say you want your text that size, but you don't want quite that much bevel. Well, I moved it down 7 inches. I don't think you can take away the bevel. So let's just delete that. Just do it over. Left click, right click. Whenever you contour, you want to contour with just lines and not colors, because it'll really mess you up. Effects, contour. This contour time will only like 0.1. Maybe that'll still be too much. A little bit too much. So 0.05. Just give it a little bit of contour. Go up to Effects and break the contour apart. Move. I'm going to change my nudge factor like to 2 inches so it won't nudge it so far away. Take this and go with that dark blue. Go with the light blue, and I would suggest maybe taking away the outline. Now this time, we're going to go just like 0.1 bevel, and you get a pretty good effect. That looks pretty good. You wouldn't want to go any further, and then just nudge that up. Now, if that happens not to show up, it's because it's behind, and it looks like that. So when you do this, got to go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and it'll be on top. And you could do that with 3 layers if you wanted. Let's just do it. I mean, if you're bored with this, just stop watching. Left click, right click, Effects, Contour, which is Control F9. We're going to go twice this time. But let's go 0.03. So now I've got 2 contours. I'm going to select it all, go up to Object, break the contour apart, grab the middle one. Now you might have to break this apart. Go to Object, Group, and ungroup it. Grab that one. So we're going to make this one the blue. We're going to make this one green. We're going to make this one that light blue. Take away the outline, and then go to Bevel, and it beveled it, and then just stack them on top of each other. And now you have 3 outlines. I don't like the color of the green. You could always grab it, and you grabbed it because it says green down here. Let's just make it red to kind of make it stand out. That's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.